Jamie Jo from Jamie Jo Sells Wax, and I have a fragrance business selling Scentsy products. I have had this business since all the way back in 2008. I actually started as a customer, quickly discovered that I had an addiction and a love for the products, and I became a consultant. Like I said, been doing that all the way back since 2008. I have now grown a rather large team of tons of different consultants that also love Scentsy and have decided to jump on the opportunity and give it a go as a business as well. So I love Scentsy. I love the product so much. I love the freedom that it gives me. And I could go on and on about all the benefits of Scentsy, but that's not what I'm here for today. Today, I want to talk to you guys about this box that just came from the FedEx truck. So yes, it is a Scentsy warmer or a Scentsy box. You can see that from the tape right there, but this is not just any Scentsy order. This is my Scentsy Club order. Now, if you don't know what Scentsy Club is, you need a Scentsy Club. Scentsy Club is our automatic shipment program where you can get all the Scentsy that you need shipped to you on a regular schedule. But here's what makes us different from other companies' auto ship programs. That is two things: the customability of your auto ship program, your Scentsy Club, and also the fact that if you have a Scentsy Club, Scentsy is going to make products just for you that are no longer available in the catalog. And you'll see exactly what I mean when I start digging through this box. So if you are using Scentsy products, you could benefit from a Scentsy Club subscription. You get to choose whether you want it shipped to you every month, every other month, and every third month. So I have a couple different Scentsy subscriptions. Yeah, I'm that level of addict. This is my subscription that just comes every third month. So I have not seen these items that come in this box for 3 months, and I'm so excited. I have the ability to customize and change my box every time before it ships out. But this is one that I consistently keep the same because it has a lot of my discontinued bars in it, and it has something that I need on the regular at least every third month. So let's dig into this box. I just opened one flap on it because I needed to see what shipment this was. As soon as I realized what it was, I stopped opening it any further. So there's my packing slip. All the fun packing paper that is in there. So first of all, the first thing I'm gonna pull out of here is my cotton cleanups. Guys, if you don't know about cotton cleanups and you are a Scentsy user, you are missing out. Let me show you, I have one just right back here. So let me show you what a cotton cleanup is. This is the easiest way to change your Scentsy wax. It's just a big hunk of cotton, but it has a handle on the top. So before Scentsy started making these, a lot of us consultants were telling our customers to use cotton balls was the easiest way to change your Scentsy wax. Our biggest complaint was we were getting wax under our fingernails and like the cotton was sticking to our hands because of the wax. So Scentsy was like, I'll see your cotton ball game and I'll raise it a notch. And that's when they came up with cotton cleanups. So they've just taken a big cotton round, they've put a handle on the top. So as your wax is fully melted, you put this down in your warmer, give it a couple swishes, and it is going to soak up all the wax. So it's gonna look something like that. This is one that I've already used. So there is usually, depending on how much wax you use, you can usually clean out 2 warmers with 1 cotton cleanup. So you can see there's still lots of untouched cotton here. I use this to clean up 1 warmer. So that is a cotton cleanup. I have those shipped to me on the regular all the time, every 3 months. So there's 25 in a package. It's just $10, but guys, I'm gonna tell you at the end of this video how you can get a discount on all of your Scentsy by using Scentsy Club. Okay, so now let's look at the different waxes that I have in my Scentsy Club. Let me pull them all out and then we will go through them. And I'll tell you why I chose these specific waxes for my club subscription. And then there's one more surprise down in there, but you gotta be patient with me. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different waxes in my 3-month Scentsy Club. So let's go through them. This is the first one. It's called You're the One. I absolutely love this. Guys, I'm gonna have to smell all these because these are my favorite fragrances. That's why I get them in Scentsy Club. So this one was from Valentine's Day 2022. So they don't make this wax anymore sellable in the catalog or on the website, but because I added it to my Scentsy Club while it was still current, they always make this fragrance for me. And that's exactly what I was talking about, how Scentsy will always make a fragrance for you if you add it to your club while it's still an active fragrance. Now, Scentsy has told us they have a couple fragrances that they actually only make for 1 or 2 people. So the promise is real. Like, if you add it into your club while it's still current, they will always make it for you. So I get You're the One from our Valentine collection last year. My Dear Watson. Oh my gosh, this is like one of the best men's fragrances. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I absolutely love my men's cologne fragrances, and My Dear Watson is one of those. So no longer available in the catalog, but I can still get it because I added it to my club. Simply Irresistible, another great men's cologne fragrance, but it's got like some lime in it too. So it's like cologne, but summer and citrus at the same time. This was actually one of the very first Scentsy fragrances I ever warmed. When I bought my very first warmer back in 2008, I bought Simply Irresistible, I bought Cucumber Lime, and I bought Clean Breeze. Clean Breeze is the only one that is still available, but now I can get Simply Irresistible. This came back as Bring Back My Bar, so did My Dear Watson. These were in the Bring Back My Bar campaign at some point, I don't even remember when. And when they come in the Bring Back My Bar campaign, you can add them to your club because they're current for that month. Even though it's just a short 1-month thing, you can still get them and add them. So Business Casual, again, men's cologne, another Bring Back My Bar that I had to have. Green Tea Smoothie. Now this was just in Bring Back My Bar last month. I had never warmed Green Tea Smoothie, but as I got my set of waxes, I knew that that was something that I loved. It's funny because now that I'm smelling it this time, I don't absolutely love it. So I'll probably end up taking this one out of my club, but that's the beauty of club. I can customize it, change it every single time. Mediterranean Spa has been around forever and a day, but they discontinued it. It was Bring Back My Bar last month as well. I got that added to my club, so I can always get it. It just takes me back in time to when I first started Scentsy. Friends, Luxe Vanilla. I wish you could get this because this is my all-time favorite Scentsy bar. This was the first bar that I added to my Scentsy Club, and I have zero regrets about that. I always have this on hand. I always keep it in stock because I absolutely love Luxe Vanilla. Now, Scarlet Sunflower. So this one just discontinued a couple days ago. When the fall and winter catalog discontinued, this one went away. Now I'm hoping that it will come back next fall and winter because they've also done it in the past in some of our body products, like a body cream and shower gel and stuff like that. So I think it's a pretty good selling scent. It is for me, but I tend to sell the fragrances that I absolutely love. Anyway, I digress. I hope it comes back next fall and winter, but just in case it didn't, I could not be without it. So I had to add it to my Scentsy Club. Now this last one, this is a really fun one. This is the Walt Disney World 50th anniversary scent called Iridescent. So this also works on those limited time offer scents. The different Disney characters all have a signature fragrance. This one came out with our Castle Warmer. And guys, I will tell you, when I smell this, I am back at Disney World. I was there last year during the 50th anniversary, and this is the scent that they used in many of their resort lobbies. So the minute I smell it, I am taken back to Disney World. And that is the power of scent, because when you smell things, they take you back to a different time and place in history, that somewhere you've been before. You absolutely know that fragrance, and it just transports you back to there. So that's why I love that Disney one. All right, guys, that's all the waxes I have in my 3-month club, but there's one more thing in this box. This is my filter for my Scentsy air purifier. Guys, I usually need a new filter every 2 to 3 months in my air purifier, so I just have it shipped on the regular because I'm getting this for half price. I told you guys that I would talk to you about how to get your Scentsy at a discount, and Scentsy Club is the way to do it. So here's the deal with Scentsy Club. If you have a club that is a $30 club, it doesn't matter if it's monthly, every other month, or every third month, when it hits that $30 mark, Scentsy is going to give you 10% off. So all these waxes, 10% off. These cotton cleanups, 10% off. But when your club hits $60, they let you choose an item for half price, guys. And that's why I get my air filters on my Scentsy Club, because that's how I can get them half price. So I added up all the wax, the cotton cleanups, it was over that $60 mark. So I got to choose this as my half price item. Now I will tell you, as a frugal Franny myself, I love to save money. So if you're going to do a Scentsy Club and use that half price item, there are 3 items that are the best items to use as your half price. One is the air purifier filter. The other is a whiff box, which is a surprise box that Scentsy sends out every single month. And then a washer with tub. Why are those the best ones to do at half price? Because those are the highest price items that you can add to a Scentsy Club. $35 is the normal price of a filter. I'm getting it for $17.50. Same with the whiff box. Normally $35 would be $17.50. A washer with tub would normally be $30. It would be $15. Scentsy Club as a half price item, that's the only way you can get a whiff box at a discount. Now you can get items like the filter or the washer whiffs, things like that. You can get them discounted by being an event host or hosting an affiliate link, different ways that I've talked to you guys about in the past of getting discounts. But the whiff box, they never discount except for through Scentsy Club. So this is my 3-month Scentsy Club. I'm curious to know what you would put in your Scentsy Club subscription. So comment on this video what you would put in your Scentsy Club subscription if you had one. I would love to know. Guys, please like and subscribe if this helped you understand what Scentsy Club was and maybe answered some questions about Scentsy Club. Like and subscribe, because I upload videos constantly answering some of the most popular questions that I get as a Scentsy consultant. Guys, my name is Jami Jo. I'm with Jami Jo Sells Wax, and I'm here to make your nose happy and, like I said, answer all those Scentsy questions that you might have.